Hi, I'm your host Ali, and today we will be covering the binomial theorem. However, I'm only here to simply give an introduction to binomial theorem. We will not be needing to do any math questions to understand binomial theorem for now, but I want you to utilize your critical and creative thinking about how this topic can be used to help your understanding of the world. What is binomial theorem? Well, to start, the binomial theorem, also known as the binomial expansion, is simply the expansion of powers of a binomial. And a binomial, with bi meaning two and nomial meaning numbers, is simply the sum of those two numbers. This can be referred to as a polynomial. How do we use it? Binomial theorem, in theory, should be used as a formula to find the powers of any binomials without multiplying at extensive lengths. It is most used to find permutations, combinations, and also algebra. And a little fun fact to you. For positive integer exponents, n, this theorem was actually known by the Islamic and Chinese mathematicians of the late medieval period. Rules and formulas of the binomial theorem. But how do we use the binomial theorem really? Well, to know that, we need to know the rules first. For the upper left picture, we can see the formula x plus y to the power of n equaling to NCR of x and y. Now, while that may seem confusing, NCR is simply a combinatorial, meaning that n chooses R. It's a concept in combinatorics that calculates the number of ways to select a group of items from a larger set without considering the order of selection. The picture next to it seems even more complicated, but it's only used when n, the exponent, is either a negative number or a fractional number. All you have to do with that formula is simply plug it in. Now, the one to the bottom left uses Pascal's triangle, which is the first method you'll learn in binomial theorem, where you use Pascal's triangle to solve any expansion as seen above. This formula is generally only used for smaller numbers, and I consider any number over 10 to be too much to use for Pascal's triangle. And now finally, the bottom right picture, which is a formula used to find a single term within the binomial expansion, such as the fifth, seventh, or 20th term. Conclusion. And that is all for today. Again, this was just a brief introduction, nothing too heavy, because we want to keep it basic. We'll move on to harder topics after this, so keep yourself updated for new videos soon. Thank you.